Welcome to Let's Weave Beads. Here I have a piece that I am currently working on. It is a 6-sided pod. I decided with this piece to do it slightly different from the way I normally do my pods, where they actually share the first row. I will be showing this technique later on, but for this video what I wanted to do was, as you can see, I stitched my diamonds together, so when I go to make my pattern I'm actually going to do it with all 6 stitched together. So I wanted to show you how you can do that. Now the piece of paper I am using is not quite long enough for them to go this way, so I'll turn them diagonally. And then what you want to do is take a ruler and make sure that they are even. The bottoms of them are even. I'm going to bring it down a little further. You might not be able to see the whole piece when I go to do it. But the main thing is you want to have the bottoms even. And then once you have the bottoms pretty even, then you want to measure between your tips and make sure they're about the same. So here we have it about here to 5, so we check the next one and it is not. So that's about 5. One. Now I'm going to 5 because I did do this earlier and 5 was the measurement that seemed to work best. And then you want to check the bottoms and make sure they are also about 5. And once you have them all pretty close to the same distance apart, then what you want to do is do your dots for making your pattern. Now you want to be careful not to move the piece, because then you'll have to start over and that's no fun. So just carefully right at the very top of each, put your dot. And then at the bottom of each. And then, because of the way I know I'm going to sew this, I'm going to go just inside between these two top beads of the side here and on the bottom. So we want 2 dots in between each. And then you also don't want to forget the end. So you know you're doing just inside, so you want to go next to this top bead here, and then next to the bottom one here, and the same on the other side, which I don't think you'll be able to see me doing. And then once you have all your dots, you can remove your piece. And then when you go to draw your lines, you want to make sure that your top ones go to the top of the 2. And that way you'll make sure you get it correct, and then the bottom one will go to the bottom one of the 2. And once you've drawn all your lines, this is how your piece will look, and then you cut it out and you're ready to make your stuffing for this particular type of pod. And like I said, in further videos I will be showing you the technique that I came up with for the six-sided pod, because it makes this corner here smoother than the other way does. So that will be a technique I will be showing you later, and I just wanted to show you this also so that you could see an easier way. I think it's easier when you have 6 sides to do it as one piece for the stuffing for sewing it together. If you have any questions, please leave a message for me, and I hope you enjoy. Happy beading!